In today's video, I want to show you guys what you can do if your storage from your Fire TV stick is full. Okay, for the first time, we go all the way to the right from the home menu, and here we click on applications. So click on this, and when we are here, we click on manage installed applications, and here we see our space or our storage, so something else. So click on this, and here we can clear the cache from specific apps when we click on this button here. Or we can uninstall these apps, which is really helpful when we click on this button here. So this is the first thing we can do. After that, we can go back and we click on applications again. And when we are here on applications, we click on our Silk browser. So click on this, and then we get here into this menu, and here we have privacy and security. Click on this, and then we have delete browsing data. So click on this, and here we can also clear the cache and something else like cached images and files. And then click down there on delete data. So after that, we go back again, and then we can go on applications again here on the App Store. And sorry, we don't need to do this. We click on auto load off, and this is really important. You should turn auto load off on. Okay, if I could help you with this video, please leave a like and subscribe. If not, write down in the comments, we'll find a solution, and then see you next time.